So H2XCEL is a short form of Hydrogen Accelerator. It's a laboratory that Oceanit designed and built to perform studies in hydrogen environment. So H2XCEL is the only one right now in the US in terms of performing the kind of studies that we are looking at. The reason we have built this H2XCEL is to understand how materials interact with hydrogen. There is increased interest towards reducing the fossil fuel usage, and there are multiple solutions people are looking at to minimize the carbon footprint. And that is where hydrogen comes in. Hydrogen is considered as a carbon-free energy source. But the biggest problem is the infrastructure for taking the hydrogen that is produced and then bringing out to the customers or the users. The infrastructure needs to be refurbished in a way that it can handle hydrogen, because there are safety challenges in terms of hydrogen embrittlement, leaks, that could actually cause significant damage to the infrastructure. And Oceanit's role is to find a solution to help modify the infrastructure for transporting hydrogen. So Oceanit develops HydroPel, which is a surface treatment that we can apply to the natural gas infrastructure. HydroPel modifies the infrastructure for transporting hydrogen. So H2XCEL, what it helps is to study the performance of the new materials that are coming out that will help hydrogen transportation, and understand the long-term implications of using hydrogen in a pipeline network, and evaluate and figure out what are the safety requirements that we need to install in terms of bringing hydrogen into the pipeline system. In our case, we are trying to see how effective our HydroPel treatment is against hydrogen attack on steel surfaces. The original goal is to study HydroPel, but this is applicable for any material or composite material that are going to be exposed to hydrogen. And in addition, it can study performance in methane and possibly in carbon dioxide. And those are some things that we could study using H2XCEL.